Hello, trading is closed on November the 18th, 2015. I'm Jeff Tennant. My call from yesterday said there was a MEJT target of 2061.96. I said if it were going to print, you would have to move up right from the open and reject the level of this close, which is what happened. Prior to getting to the MEJT calls for tomorrow, let's look at some other things. Here's a 30-minute chart. We now have bar 13 of a combo sell as well as bar 13 of a sequential sell. This is an old TDST line which offers resistance. Here's a 78-minute chart. You'll see we have a TDST line here and here, and that we are at the resistance area based on that chart and based on some other time frames as well. We have rallied right up to the level of the FOMC announcement, which I view as a dividing line, which is a euphemism for saying it's resistance. And with that in mind, let's see what MEJT had to say today. Early on, it said ultimately higher prices would print, which they did. It said this move was a false move, which it was. It now says this move is false and gives us a price target of 2068.70, most likely to print tomorrow. Now that's a drop of about 15 handles. And that's my call for tomorrow. 2068.70. We have a wall into the close. This looks impressive, but it actually shows unrestrained purchases by retail customers because professionals don't buy at any price like this. It may seem hard to believe that we can drop so much after a rally like this, but if you go to the last example in the introductory chapter of my book, you will see an analogous situation where there is a higher MEJT target. Prices drop like this, like a stone, into the close near the low, and the following day prices have a gap up over all of the decline. I'm not saying that will happen tomorrow, but I do think there's a very strong chance for a gap down, and it wouldn't surprise me if this target we're seeing fairly soon, even though it's not required. So the call for tomorrow is 2068.70 with a good chance of a gap down, and that is today's call.